Hey there, it's Jake from StringBean, and I'm going to take you through the process of issuing a service request in the StringBean web app. So let's get started. Issuing a service request is the process of sending a StringBean to a specific person. So to issue one, head over to your StringBean library from the navigation pane on the left. Now look for the StringBean that you would like to issue and click on it. Once the StringBean is loaded, click on the three vertical dots in the top right, also known as a kebab, and select Apply to Client. A new window will pop up asking which location you would like to apply the StringBean to. Choose a location and click Apply. Now a window is going to pop up asking you if you want to issue it now. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to issue it to a user right now. So click Issue to User. From your list of users, select the user you want to issue the particular StringBean to and click Issue to a User. Great, the service request has been created. To verify that you have sent the service request, click on Service Requests from the navigation pane on the left, and the new one will be at the top of this list. As always, you can learn more about our advanced features and see our other tutorials on our YouTube channel by clicking on the box you see here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.